Tired of a lopsided logo throwing off your Webflow Navbar's balance? Let's fix that. First, ensure your logo is inside your navbar element if it's not. Drag and drop your image element directly into the navbar in the Elements panel. Next, we need to tell the navbar how to arrange its contents. Select your navbar element itself in the Style panel. Find the Layout settings. We're going to use Flexbox for this. Under the Display settings, choose Flexbox now. Let's control alignment for the horizontal alignment. We want to space out the items. Beautifully click on the horizontal alignment icon and select the option that looks like space between sections, often represented by 3 evenly distributed blocks, or specifically choose Center. For the vertical alignment, we want the logo to be perfectly centered top to bottom within the navbar. Select the option that looks like a stack of items centered vertically, typically labeled Center under the vertical alignment. Now, let's make sure your logo image itself is set up for optimal centering. Select your logo image element in its Style panel. Go to the Size settings. Ensure the width is set to auto, or a specific pixel value if you prefer, but auto often works best for responsive centering. And for height, set it to auto as well, or a specific pixel value that fits your navbar's aesthetic. Finally, check the margin settings for your logo image. You want to ensure there are no excessive top or bottom margins pushing it out of place. Set them to 0, or a very small, consistent value if needed. And there you have it. A perfectly centered logo that enhances your website's professional appeal and user experience. Happy designing!